Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when earbuds don't respond or respond slowly to touch controls. Firstly, make sure that you tap at the touch controls. Touch controls, these earbuds, located, okay, right here we have SOUNDCORE icon, logo I mean, and you need to tap at this logo. If it didn't help you, we should perform a soft reset. So put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Now your earbuds are disconnected from your phone, so then we need to just open the charging case and it will reconnect to your phone and also check maybe it fixed your problem. The last one, what we can do is to open the application and now go to the controls. So it happened when touch controls set to none, and especially in this model we have by default a lot of none controls, what we can't use if we do not set up it. And if you have something like this, let's say at a single tap you just press on it and add some function, let's say volume down. And now let's check, maybe it fixed your problem. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.